How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So if you want to unlink your Facebook from Instagram, then open up your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the upper right corner you will have a hamburger icon. Tap on that, and then tap on settings and privacy, and here you will have accounts center. Tap on account center, and you will have connected experiences. Tap on that, and then tap on Facebook, and after tap on account center, and then under account settings tap on accounts, and from here under Facebook you will have a remove option. Tap on remove, and then tap on remove account and continue. And if you tap on remove, then your account will be removed. So that's it guys, that's how you unlink Facebook from Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.